be seen and interpreted in different ways by different people. One person may see an event or another person differently than you see. Light can play tricks with your eyes. You may see something or someone else, and it might be a reflection of your imagination, driven by the rays of the speed of light, seen by yourself. Light travels at the speed of 160,000 miles a second, or 700 million miles an hour. The distance from Earth at the Moon is about 239,000 miles. This is extremely fast, and indeed in theory, nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. Light seems to travel from one place to another instantaneously. When the light is switched on, there is no delay between when we first see the light and when the light illuminates the far end of the room. Our brain is too slow to detect the rays of light that appear from the bulb and move like a wave washing over the room. In space, light seems slow. When astronauts were on the Moon, it took over a second for the radio waves, which travel at the speed of light, then carrying their voices to reach ground control on Earth. Light coming from the Sun takes 8.5 minutes to hit Earth. If the Sun would suddenly go dark, it will take over 8 minutes for us to be noticed on Earth. Light from the nearest stars, other than the Sun, takes 4.5 years to get here. From the farthest stars in distant galaxies, it can take billions of years for the light to arrive. The distance light can travel in a year is called a light year. The delay caused by the speed of light can sometimes be noticed here on Earth during telephone calls. Long distance calls that have been routed over one or more space satellites and may cause half a second or so delay between the speaker and the listener. All electromagnetic radiation, from radio waves to X-rays, travel at the speed of light. In empty space, this speed is approximately 300,000 kilometers per second. We can even predict the wavelength of an electromagnetic wave if we know the time it takes for the charge to oscillate once, returning to its original location. This time is called the period, the T, of the wave. By multiplying the periods with the speed of light, we can determine the wavelength of any wave, thus known as the speed of light.
You were right about one thing though.
What's that then?
Everything can happen at the speed of summer lightning. At the speed of light, I'm not sure if anything happened anymore.
What happened then?
Everything can happen at the speed of summer lightning. At the speed of light, I'm not sure if anything happened anymore.
What happened then?
What happened?
I can still feel it, but I can't remember it. Well, I can, but I'm not sure how it happens. It's all in the waves.
That's not in your book.
No.
It's like if millions of things happened in that house. I'm not sure which one is real and which one is not, or which one we've actually seen.
You're not even bruised anymore.
No, that went away too. At the speed of light. Your bladder's gone.
Yeah, just about. Just a trait. The distance from Earth to the Moon is about 239,000 miles. This is extremely fast, and indeed, in theory, nothing can travel faster than the speed of light.